Hey guys, me again. I'm doing a little more cooking today. I've got a meeting to attend tomorrow with a bunch of my corporate CEO guys, and I said I would bring some food. So I saw this on some cooking channel, and I've added my own twist to it. I call it cardiac arrest. It's sort of a fajita type thing, but I'll show you what I'm doing here. I take a regular cookie sheet and I spray some Pam in it to keep the paper from sticking to it. And I lay the Pam. I'm making a couple of them. I'm just going to show you the one I'm making right now. I lay a couple tortilla shells down in here, and I coat them with butter. You can never go wrong with butter. I'm going to make sure I cover all that. Then I take some thinly sliced sharp cheddar, and I lay them down in here. After you take the paper off. I cover the whole bottom with the cheddar. I have to slice up a couple pieces to make it fit here. I say slice, but it breaks off pretty easy. I'm no cook. I enjoy making stuff every once in a while. My wife would like me to cook more, but she eats more healthy stuff than I do. This is not one of her favorites. Then I have a mixture of ground beef, diced green peppers, diced bacon, sausage, diced onions, and ground up Spam. So I'm going to mix all that into a bowl here. And again, I've got twice as much as what you need because I'm making 2 batches of this. But we'll mix it all in here. Can never go wrong with bacon. Sausage. I drain all the meat after I cook it up on the grill and the frying pan. The first one I made, I didn't drain it. It turned out to be a greasy, sloppy mess. So as I take it off the grill, I drain it, and that way it doesn't get too greasy. So mix all this wonderful stuff together here. I'm definitely not a vegetarian. Meat is my forte. We got all the major groups here. We got beef, we got pork, we got whatever Spam's made out of. So I think we've covered all the basic meat groups except seafood. Okay, so I'm gonna spoon this stuff in here. Spread it out nice and even. Basically, for one of these, it takes a pound of hamburger, a half a pound of sausage, a half a pound of bacon, and a half a can of Spam, and whatever you feel you want to use for onions and peppers. So the next thing we put on it is we put some thin sliced mozzarella cheese on top of this. And again, we cover it all the way up. Break up a couple pieces here to fill in the gaps. Then we take another couple of tortilla shells. Lay them on top. I try to tuck it in and make it as food tight as possible, because we will take and put this and bake it in the oven at 350 for about 30 minutes. And after that, we turn it to broil, and we brown the tortilla shell for, I don't know, maybe a minute or two. It doesn't take long at all. But tucking it in keeps all the stuff inside. Then we take our butter, and again we liberally, I don't like to use the word liberal, but anyway, we put a lot on here. And we bake that in the oven for at 350 for 30 minutes. And when it comes out, I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. Just took these out of the oven. Got one over there on the stove, still cooling. This one looks pretty good. I baked it at 350 for 30 minutes, and then I turned it to broil for about a minute. I put some more butter on it before I broiled it, and I'm going to put another little coat of butter on it right here, just to finish it off. Once it cools, I will cut it up with a pizza cutter into probably 8 slices here, and then I'll put it in some plastic bags and put it in the refrigerator and take it to my meeting tomorrow, and the guys will heat it up and have it for a snack. So give it a try sometime, guys. It's a definitely not low calorie, low carb, not cardiac friendly, but it sure tastes good. So thanks for watching.